Hello everyone and welcome back. If Buffer isn't posting to TikTok or your scheduled TikTok posts keep failing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Buffer TikTok posting issues in 2026 using your Windows PC or Mac. Let's go through the solutions step by step. First, sign into your Buffer account and open your TikTok channel. Check whether your TikTok account is still connected. If you've recently changed your TikTok password or updated your account's security settings, the connection may have expired. If your account is disconnected, click the Reconnect option and sign in to TikTok again. Approve all the required permissions so Buffer can access your account and publish your scheduled content. Next, verify that you're using a supported TikTok account. Some Buffer features may require a business account or creator account, depending on the publishing options available. Make sure your account meets Buffer's current requirements. Now, review the video you're trying to publish. Ensure the file format, resolution, aspect ratio, duration, and file size meet TikTok's supported upload requirements. If necessary, upload the video again before scheduling it. Also, check your video caption. Remove unsupported characters, excessive hashtags, or formatting that could cause the publishing request to fail. Next, refresh the Buffer dashboard and make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent Buffer from uploading your video successfully. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, restart your browser, and sign back into Buffer. You should also try another browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. Browser compatibility issues can sometimes affect the publishing process. Temporarily disable any VPN, proxy server, or browser extensions like ad blockers, as these may interfere with the connection between Buffer and TikTok. If only your TikTok account is experiencing problems while your other connected social media accounts work normally, remove the TikTok channel from Buffer and connect it again.